Hello people, welcome to planetghost.com. Today what we'll learn is how to install a new theme in Drupal. Once we download Drupal, we make a site in Drupal, we see the looks with the same color, that is the same blue color. What if we want to change the looks completely? We want to make the site look beautiful and elegant with new theme, complete new theme. So in this tutorial we learn how to put a new theme to Drupal, which we can easily find in Google. All what we need to do is search Drupal 6 themes. Now since we are using Drupal 6, so we'll search for themes in Drupal 6. I've found a site. The official site of Drupal gives us few themes in Drupal that can be implemented to your current Drupal site. Okay, Aqua Marina. This seems to be a nice Drupal theme. I'll click on that. And I'll download it. I'll extract the folder. I'll copy the folder and I'll go to my Drupal folder structure, my site Drupal folder structure. We'll put the theme in the similar manner how we had put the module. What we need to do is click on sites folder, then go to alls. Now we had created a folder with name modules. In the same manner we'll create a new folder with the name themes. You see we have created a folder with name themes. Now we will place the new theme here, Aqua Marina, and go back to our Drupal folder. Click on administer. Under site building you will see a link named themes. I'll click on themes and you'll see this new Aqua Marina that we've installed will appear here. There are few more default themes you get with Drupal. Anyways, now since we've installed Aqua Marina, we'll save it and have a look at a new theme of our website. See, this is how your site looks after you changed it. This was my home page. Welcome to Planet Ghost. Now you see that other blocks are not appearing. We can make the primary links appear in the site by clicking on checkbox. What I'll do is save it. Okay, this is done. This is how your site appears to be after changing your theme. You can configure your theme by putting a new logo, putting the new site name. by going to site information. You can change the complete look of your site. I'll put a new theme as well. I'll put Blue Marine, the one which we get by default in Drupal, and we'll save it. See, this is one more theme. See, this is how the site looks. This was the primary link with two menus. If you remember, we had made two forms. One was the web form and the other one was the default Drupal contact form. We can choose to put any theme we get in Google. As we just saw Aquamarina, we can put lot more themes. We can get the option to change colors in the theme. We have to follow the same pattern. Okay, I believe that's it for this tutorial.